So I got a call from Mitch. He said, bird lock in, we going strong. I said, let's get it on. I'm just talking shit, he ain't got no phone. I said, before we start this battle and get to fighting with these bars, she don't pay Mitch to throw away them jeans. And that's the lightest I'ma charge. No offense to you. No, fuck that. Offense taken. You mad and move some, bitch. Lift your voice and make statements. Don't want to battle this bitch. I just stand here looking amazement. First nigga to get his clothes repoed. Because he was missing a payment. Who the fuck is Mitch? It's a question we all been asking, so fuck it, I'm finna expose this nigga in an orderly fashion. I said, you the type of nigga that go to the store without no money, Mitch. On some bummy shit. Then you stuffing on white jeans with hot Cheetos and sardines. You a funny bitch. What you like, killer? Hey, look, cuz, if it's beef only child, I ain't gonna play with you. I'm waving a K, 3 shots, Black Klansman. Bitch, I'm finna convince you that I hate niggas. I'm bad. I can't burn. So word on the street says, Money Mitch sold Cheetos some stamps and ran off with the card. Nigga, that's lame. That's cool. Yeah. So word on the street says, Money Mitch sold Cheetos some stamps and ran off with the card. Nigga, that's lame. That's cruel. That's ironic. You Money Mitch. Nigga, you was really paid in full, so what the fuck's your angle? Yeah, they're not no bars. Alright, go ahead. She about to? I said word on the street says, Money Mitch sold Cheetos some stamps and ran off with the card. Nigga, that's lame, that's cruel. That's ironic. You Money Mitch. Nigga, you was really paid in full, so what the fuck's your angle? You gonna say Noah gave me the boot? Yeah, I used to be a mutant. Boss damn, bitch, I kicked myself out the group. I don't even want to... Okay, I don't even want to fucking be here. I gotta tell y'all the truth. When I heard I had Mitch, stage fright. I was shaking in double old boots. I said... I said to myself, I said, self, damn, cuz must be really wanting you dead. It's always sad with a family feud. Casket shirt. That's a special made Steve Harvey suit. And just so you know, I got an anonymous email. And though I won't go into detail, no, fuck that bitch, nigga. You sold your baby shoes on Flint Retail. Now let's talk about it. Let's talk about it.
Flint Retail? Talk about it.
Bird, talk about it!
Talk that shit, Bird!
Let her rap.
So your bitch really let you do that, huh? So your bitch really let you do that, huh? That shit making me weak. Ran off with the car and sold his baby shoes. That shit making me think. What will make a nigga so desperate? Then the shit started to link. I said, ran off with the car and sold his baby shoes. Oh, that bitch was craving a drink. Till I see the baby mama. I see your baby mama at the store. She looked scared like her soul about to sink. She said, ran off with the car and sold his baby shoes. Bitch beating you? Just give me a wink. She looked over her shoulder, then she gave me a wink. She said, Mitch been out his mind because it's not what you think. Shaking my head. Next shit she said, I got mad at it. Mitch ain't no drunk. He a certified crack addict. That's when I lost all respect for your bitch. It's time I attack her character. I mean, her mammy couldn't have taught her the game. It's only right that I lecture her. She that baby's whole world. What happened to loving and protecting her from this cheapskate? Bitch, you mean to tell me you rather see this bitch high off crack cocaine than your baby have a keepsake? I'm a vital threat. They said Mitch gonna come guns. I'm a vital threat. They said Mitch gonna come guns blazing. I ain't got excited shit. I'm gonna give you what your ass can't cash. I had to write and check. I mean, them jeans be clean. Jeans I seen. Bah! I like them better red. Chest shots, he wheezing. Asthmatic, I like them better dead. You niggas be reaching, it's by the wayside. I extend my hand, bullets gon' creep, walk on the bayside. My mind My mind gone. I'm one of a kind strong. Machete blades. I'm finna cut this bitch nigga in half like the line long. About them stats, nigga. You thought you got away, but this next place up. Nigga, either you gon' pay up or get your best bitch fucked. I hate the way you talk. Don't live worse than that mumble rap. I'll tie your ass up and suffocate you with some bubble wrap. You could get your cat peeled back. Fuck that, I got another trap. I'ma kidnap you in a UPS truck and you be fed X to see if you can stomach that.
Talk, Bird.
They said bird a hothead. Bitch, I beg to differ. I'm made from Hitler. Don't concentrate on my Kemper. Group of shots gonna evade your liver. More famous killer.
Get that water, babe.
I'm tired.
You gonna talk about me selling my baby shoes. Even though she couldn't fit them, it was something my girl told me to do. I said even though she couldn't fit them, and it's something she told me to do. What you say? Something about my white jeans? Cut them bitches up. Now they capris, bitch. I told them. I said we got money, Mitch, versus Badlife. Bitch, you got a face only a granny could hate. So we leave you out of all the photos that the family take. But I heard Bird taking shots. Well, let's just blame the liquor, because if we battle, then you get throwaways. I need a place to litter, but play me bitter like you lost your mind, and I get crazy with her. Blade a hitter. Get stuck in the crib like she ain't have a babysitter. That's what we doing. I said, that's what we doing here. That's why we on this stage, because we owe the sport. I mean, besides the chokes, of course. We both put flip battle rap on the map with no support, and you join the... Never mind. I did my numbers. Now I'm unguardable like LeBron James in an open court. All that building just to come back and kill you with no remorse. But before I get into this round, and we get to fighting with these bars, next battle I need to. And that's the lightest I'm concerned. No offense to you. I just feel like I'm the nicest with the bar. Hey, grandma, because whatever I write, the nicest on the card. I said, Be the Shooter hit my line like, Mitch, this next card, fire. And who I got coming, you gonna have to be better than Norm. I said, I've been punching. He said, bro, you gonna have to punch better as Norbs. Plus you better win the queen. She finna drag your name through the dirt and make you wish you never was born. How I replied, I'm bringing all hell to the reigning queen with lightning punches. Let's see if she can weather the storm. I'm nice with it. I'm nice with it. If shit go live like an internet thug, I'm on site with it, no filter. But behind the flash, I'm light-skinned. I'm finna snap. No filter. Behind the flash, I'm light-skinned. I'm finna snap. You know how I feel about 1 rounds and a time limit, but y'all gonna say I'm money missed for real. Ask me why. I'm finna get Bird gone in 5 minutes. Who you want? Who you want, Bird? These 2 trays are retired Bird. We mask up, slide down in a Pontiac, and let it fire, Bird. I'm tired, Bird. Because it ain't really no bars you impress me with. So here come all these fake angles about how Mitch ain't real and don't should let me hit. Petty shit. When you speak on some shit that I never did, Desi speak. Now whatever she thought she heard, all over the place. Messy bitch, come on. with Mitch. All that capping shit won't get you fired with me. You gotta spar with me. I'm talking punch for punch, bar for bar with me, and I'm strapped for the kill. 2 guns when I'm clapping the steel. You smoke squares? So you used to the cig after the meal. I've been...
Bring that back.
Bring that shit the fuck back.
Let's go.
You gotta spar with me, punch for punch, bar for bar with me, and I'm strapped for the kill. 2 guns when I'm clapping the steel. You smoke squares? So you used to the cig after the meal. I've been hella patient. I run down on Bird while she at the crib, writing them raps, metal blazing, minding her own business. Then I put it in the book. It's the yellow pages. I put it in the book. It's the yellow pages. You hella basic. But let me guess. You got the better stock. All this dick sucking, jumping league to league, and y'all just let her rock. She was bars on deck, then bloody scene. Now you over here. It never stopped. Don't need to get the biggest battle of your career, and it never dropped. You hella gas. You hella gas. You hella gas. How you in front of the race with all these pit stops? You was alpha. When it ain't go your way, you flip-flop. As soon as shit pop, over here is the queen come out. Bitch, kick rocks. But just like a bird, they come flying back when it get hot. Like a bird, they come flying back. When it get hot, you got a lot of nerve. I start loading the eagle soon as I got the word about you taking shots. Now mine's doing the same. It's Mockingbird. I don't rock with I say, now mine's doing the same. It's a Mockingbird. I don't rock with bird. I'll crossbreed and put an oxen bird and go.
Let him finish it up.
I'll rock with birds. I said I'll rock with birds. I'll crossbreed, put an oxen bird, it goes sound like a bot. No, all due respect. All due respect, you get the utmost. Now bitch, give it back. Cause I earn mine too. In the field, looking for kills, I prefer mine too. I get the drop from a rooftop. Soon as bird fly through, double lens. I hit bird from a bird's eye view. I say, bitch, you ain't a queen. You don't even play your fucking role. Your kingdom ain't shit. Cause you too busy chasing double O. I say all you do is fucking troll. All you do is fucking troll. So listen, bitch, cause I'ma say it first. It's too much dragging names through the mud and not enough on my way to work. You ain't a queen. You ain't a queen. You ain't a queen. You ain't a queen. But let me guess. You probably get a check for them bastards. Mad at the world cause their daddies never check on them bastards. I put a check on them bastards. I'm finna disrespect you in every way. Fuck your kids. I'll bring this tool where they lay. Tie you up, put you in a bag? Nah, I'ma shoot baby cage and drop knowledge on you. You learn something new every day. Tell Double O, I see him next. After this headshot, leave his BM stretch. The dog barking on the tracks like DMX. And I wrote this shit in like 5 days on my daughter, cause I ain't really motherfucking care. But the way I'm doing you up here, it's not looking motherfucking fair. Cheat on your manager? I'll roll him out that motherfucking chair. Talk, nigga. Unguardable.